Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into the markets today, taking a look at CoinMarketCap real quick. Fear Greed Index at 61. We're nearing that indecisive decision where people are like, "Oh shoot, we're not at 100,000 yet. What's going on?" That's where we're at. Like, people are really having some second guesses about crypto, and we're not. If we've been in the space for a while now, going on almost 7 years, so it seems like forever, but it really just went by like that. We've been in it since December of 2017, and we've seen a lot. We haven't seen it all, but we've seen a lot. And I think times like this, like we talked about last year, times like this where this index moves towards yellow and there's a ton of indecision, it's not all Scott, everyone's gonna be rich tomorrow. Like, when we're out of that phase, that is when we really want to take advantage and take massive amounts of positions at good prices. So we see here Bitcoin sitting at $64,293, Ethereum at $3,058, Ethereum pulling back a little bit as well. We'll look at the charts. Cardano dropping down to number 10. Now, with that happening, I haven't seen Cardano out of the top 10 in a while, but with this happening, we do see that Cardano is being slept on a little bit. Like, there's a lot of doubt when it comes to Cardano. So looking at this article here, so despite Cardano dropping to number 10 on CoinMarketCap, we see here that Cardano adds 1.7 billion to market cap as the price recovers. Looking at this article here, Cardano strengthens its position on cryptocurrency market, adding over 1.7 billion to its market cap. And we see here that Cardano continues to be one of the leading cryptocurrencies and has experienced a noteworthy resurgence today, adding this 1.7 billion to the market cap. This surge follows a period of volatility and uncertainty on the crypto market, guys. So it's not just the fear and index. You just don't go by that. You can see it with what's happening with price. What is the notion right now? Like, how people are leaning, and everyone's not super bullish. Let me just say that. We go from bullish to like, oh, is crypto really gonna be the greatest transfer of wealth we've ever seen? And that's only when things like this happen, that is when I become super bullish. You got to kind of change your mindset, right? When people get pretty much uneasy, that's when we want to get super bullish and really scoop up the prices that people are dumping, and we see it as a discount, they see it as a dead coin. So the primary driver behind the surge in market cap, they're saying, for Cardano is that it's the recovery of the price of ADA, and they're saying here experiencing a significant decline of 32% due to prevailing geopolitical uncertainties. ADA's price rebounded by 4.3% to reach 49 cents in today's trading session. So a lot of short-term thinking here in this article. For us, we're pretty much long-term. When we look at the price, like, I'm not concerned about this price breaking these levels. This is ADA right now. I'm not concerned with the price, with these prices breaking. Let's say we break right here. I think this level I have here is about 40 cents. If we break that level, I'm not concerned. Cardano is a long-term play, and if anything, you see here on the weekly time frame, it's almost like an inverted head and shoulders, like long-term play to ultimately break and clear the all-time high, which is about $3.10. Okay, so long-term, I'm not worried about Cardano. We look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulling back as well at a key level. This level is decision time, guys. We talked about this, and we've had this marked up here. This decision level. We still have this trend line here as well, which I think is another decision level, depending on where we reach. This is the weekly time frame, by the way, so you can see if we go to the daily, major level right here. This is gonna dictate a lot. Okay, so breaking this level, I would say breaking 58,000, most recently breaking 60, but I think breaking 58. I mean, the next stop is 53. So we'll see how we go. We'll see how it goes. Ethereum pretty much probably doing the same thing, pulling back. Everything is pulling back. If you want to try to do a bit of a counter trend line here, you might be able to fit one in there right here for Ethereum, heading towards the red trend line we have there as well. So very optimistic long term. I think short term we have some work to do, but I'm very optimistic long term for crypto. Like, you guys know this. I think if you get caught up in these short term price actions and you try to trade this, you'll probably get wrecked. How many people got wrecked last week? I think it was the amount of liquidations, I think, was almost, I want to say about 700 million or 900. I think it was about 900 million liquidations. So people trying to trade this on leverage is pretty dangerous. I think there's a lot of value. There's a lot of money to be made, of course, on the flip side, but also there's a lot of value in just buying the asset and holding as well. So definitely bullish on Cardano. Going to give you some Cardano updates. I think Charles has been doing some, Charles Hoskinson, CEO of IOHK, that's building Cardano right now, and a part of that growth of the ecosystem is he's doing a lot of interviews right now. So maybe we'll have him on one day. Had the chance to talk to him a long time ago, but maybe we'll have him on, and definitely want to see Cardano's growth. I think Cardano is another sleeping giant. I think that's how it is, though. Like, think about it. That's how it is when we talk about project. Like, there's not too many projects where everyone's talking about it and it just blows and it's like everyone's right. I think it takes people thinking that a project is dead in order to capitalize on that upside opportunity. So definitely excited for Cardano. We're going to be doing some Cardano updates so you guys can be in the know and really understand the why behind the project and the why behind our sentiment long term on Cardano. I think there's a lot of misconceptions, but I also think there's a lot of value add when we look at how Cardano has done things and what they're planning to do and what they've done, and the process and the peer-reviewed process in which we can take that and use that as a framework for creating cryptocurrency platforms and doing it the right way. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.